money online. Well, with Cashramp, you can make $50 a day or more hassle-free. Cashramp is a huge network of agents that help you accept payments all around Africa using different types of payment gateways or methods. And to access Cashramp, you must register on their website by simply typing cashramp.co, then process the link. Or you can download the Accure app to access the Cashramp platform directly on an app. You can join by simply clicking here, the join button, or you can start by visiting their academy to learn more about the Cashramp service. When you've registered, Cashramp will take only a couple of days to process your application. And when you qualify, you can start processing payments orders once you have funded your account. And the minimum amount to fund your account is $1. To access the Cashramp service on the Accure app that you downloaded in your app store, you must simply click this app. After your account has been accepted and you qualify, you will simply navigate to your app or their website, then find your account to start processing payments or any orders. You must first find your account. You can find your account either on a cryptocurrency deposit or from Accure. And on Accure, you can directly send money from your bank account. Starting from simply, let's say 20 Rand, you can start making profit from that cash. And your account, you must set, after funding your account, you must set your buy and sell rates. How much people, that means how much people will buy and sell your dollars. And you can simply update your buy rates by simply changing here. Let's say, for example, I want to sell my dollars for 20 Rand. One single dollar for 20 Rand. I will gain 1.13 Rand. And that's a significant profit, and many people will be happy for it. And you can also change your sell rates for any number you desire. And keep in mind that this you actually earn money by your rates and by all your rates. That's how you earn profit from your money. And okay, you must first register on the Cashramp platform, either on the website or on the Accure application. After you registered, you must find your account, change your rates to the numbers you desire. Then you automatically get orders, and your orders will appear here on this second button. On this third one, you'll see the payment methods on which you will receive or send money to your account. And here you will check, it's where you'll check and edit your profile. And I'll send more links about the Cashramp Agent platform, where you'll register on the application that will help you access Cashramp on the go. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and like.